Hello, my name is Pauline Surkan, and I'm a public health nurse here in Nova Scotia, living in Dartmouth. And this is my new office, working out of home. I've just been asked to make a little video about what it's been like to parent during the pandemic. So here goes. It's been challenging. I think that being a parent in general is challenging, and during a pandemic you know, especially early on, needed to learn how to adjust to being both a teacher, a parent, and working full-time on a med-surg floor. And it continues to be a work in progress. Now children are in school, but we have to keep following the public health guidelines, and they're constantly changing and evolving, and making sure that, you know, we're being as safe as we can for, you know, our kids and everyone else. I think one of the biggest challenges as a parent at this time is finding balance, and I think that probably goes for everyone. I thought it was challenging pre-COVID to find balance, you know, with self-care and, you know, making meals and taking kids here and there. And even more so now, with gyms closed, activities are on hold. You know, it's hard to find places to kind of get out and burn off some energy for the kids and the parents. And I think probably the one biggest challenge as a parent right now is screen time. And kids are on screens at school. Some kids are doing school at home, and they communicate with their friends and they socialize on screens. So it's really challenging to kind of tear them away from that and get them out there moving their bodies. And as far as work goes, I've kind of had a varied work experience. I started out on a med-surg floor during the preparations of the pandemic and worked at primary assessment centers, testing people for COVID. And now we're kind of getting into the second wave here into the fall of 2020. And I am now part of the contact tracing team as a public health nurse. So there's been another curveball there, lots of new information, and I'm really enjoying it. Even though it's online and virtual, I really feel quite supported with everyone who's been teaching me so far. So I thought I'd give a little tip, a parenting tip, as parenting is difficult during these months that have passed and the months to come. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Like, if you need something, ask a friend, family, tap into those supports that you have. And we need it. Like, even if it's a 10-minute phone conversation over a cup of tea or coffee, sometimes we just need to talk it off. And so, yeah, don't be afraid to ask for help. And as parents, I think we all try our best, and we can only do what we can do. So hopefully you found this helpful, and all the best for you moving forward.